I've been putting off the inevitable. You're going to have an old XJ, TJ. You're going to have a little miss, a little rough idle, a little hesitation. Can't figure out what it is. I'm going to tell you, just go ahead and replace your sensors. Crankshaft position sensor, number one, but you got your map sensor, your throttle position sensor, and your air idler control sensor. Taking them off, I've cleaned them. Everything else is good, but I'll still get it every now and then. They're still the original sensors. So that's what we're going to do today, is replace the map sensor, the throttle position sensor, and the air idle control sensor. Pretty easy. I think the only thing you're going to need is probably a T25. Just put the 62 millimeter throttle body on here. Should have put them on then, but I like to do stuff the hard way, so that's what we're going to do now. Again, just go ahead anytime you get one of these and replace these three plus crank position. It'll save a lot of troubleshooting and make it run a lot better. But I'm gonna get these together and show you how we do it. All right, pretty simple to do. If you want to look at the video where I put in the new throttle body, you can see it. But so here's the driver's side of the engine bay. Here's your map sensor, which has got two T25s right below it, and there's a rubber hose that you will reuse more than likely that hooks to the map sensor and then to the throttle body. Then back here is your throttle position sensor, and then right on the opposite side, right there, is your air idle control sensor. I already know that I'm missing a grommet on mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace all three of them while I'm here. Again, it would have been easier to do when I had it off, but still not difficult. Like I said, all you're going to need for this whole thing is a T25 Torx for here. There's two here, and then two over here. You just pull the plugs off, unscrew those, put them in, and plug them back in. So we'll do one at a time. All right, so here's the old map sensor. Again, you take the two T25s out. You're going to need to pull this little rubber nipple off. Here's the new map sensor, and just reorientate it back where it is. Screw it back in, plug it in, and you're good to go. All right, old throttle position sensor, new throttle position sensor. I think I'm going to take the gasket out of this one and put it in here. It's not supposed to need it, but I've got one, so why not use it? So far, so good.